Hi Asad, this is Plavi speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today I started my work in the 9 o'clock in the morning. First of all, I opened my mail and check out about there all the mail, data team, and so read the channel. And I also then I go to my regular work. That was first of all I done my KG ad, and then I go to my regular work. It was today I got the mail from BRK, so I work on their new inventory file. So I work on that, and I set it on my site. So please check out over here, and you send me some instruction about Elite logo. That means it's some edit option. So I did it as your instruction and send it our beta team, and also your mail to your mail also. So please check out and comments on the sale, whatever it is. The sale have two options. One is bold option and another is regular size. So whatever you like, then you choose it. So that's all actually in my today's work. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.